How to automatically update apps on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find the App Store application and tap on it. The App Store settings page allows you to manage automatic downloads and updates, cellular data usage for downloads, video autoplay, background downloads of in-app content, offloading unused apps, and whether to be notified for in-app ratings and reviews. Over here, go to the automatic download sections and turn on the App Updates feature. This feature automatically installs new app updates. Following these easy steps, you can automatically update apps on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.